Hey guys, hello and welcome to another vlog. I have not said hello all day. I just been going about my business, doing what I needed to do. But I'm currently, sorry, the air was on so high. I'm currently headed to one Target to do a pickup, and then I'm gonna go to another Target to do to go in and get a few things because I need to exchange this juice that I got. I thought I got cranberry, but it was actually cherry. And then I need some foil paper, and I should have made a list. I should have made a list and I didn't. Crap. I know I need something else from Target. It was foil paper and something else, and now I can't remember. But anyways, sorry y'all, hold on. No sir! No sir! Hold on there! Sorry, I just realized what I read. So I'm talking to y'all and I get a notification from Petite Sue. She's a Jamaican YouTuber. She is known for like her glam looks as far as hair and makeup goes. She's amazing, but she also has really good content as far as vlogs go. I think she does maybe like vlogs twice a week normally, but because of Vlogmas, she's like trying to put out videos every day. And y'all, I know she said stay tuned, but I just saw the notification that said she migrated to the US, and I'm like, wait, what? Wait, they're telling me to move to the US because we're gonna miss Shani, we're gonna miss mom. Like, what's going on? So if y'all watch Petite Sue, I know I don't know where my demographic, I don't know the details of my demographics like that, but like I said, if you are of Caribbean heritage, I think you would enjoy her vlogs, just because for me personally, her riding around when she's running her errands, just her relationship with her mother and her sister, and just the things that they do, I can relate to because I'm from Belize, a Caribbean country. And I don't know, it gives me a sense of home. So I love watching her vlogs. But anyways, I've been rambling now. I will check in with you guys maybe when I'm at the other Target. If not, I have two more stops. I have to go to Walgreens and I have to go to Stephanie Prime to pick up some food. So yeah.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I'm on fire like this. Yeah. Him and her and they on over there. They looking over here, they giving me a stare like I could. No. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, I don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that.
I'm looking so crusty. Hold on. Hey guys. So I feel like I'm looking super duper crusty. The lashes that I did yesterday, some of them already fell off. Yeah. So I have to touch them up again today. I doubt that these are gonna last till Christmas, and that was the whole purpose of me doing this. So yeah, there's that. But I am at work, I actually started really early today. I started at 6:30 because, sorry y'all, I started at 6:30 because I just had so many items. I'm reading my Amazon cart and talking. I had so much stuff to do today. So I have a training that I'm doing on Friday that I'm trying to prep for, and so I had to like create my slides because we're gonna go through that. I think that call is at 10. So we're gonna go through that at 10, and then I have a call at 9, so in like half an hour, to go over a certain aspect of that presentation. So there's data points that I need. We're gonna have data points, but there are specifications that I need to include for this training, and I can't come up with them. I'm not paid enough to do that. So I'm telling management, yo, I need this data. I need y'all to tell me what y'all want me to do, because I'm not about to set that for this group that I'm training. Y'all need to set that. And so at 9, we're going to be discussing that. 10 is our regular weekly team meeting. And then 11 is going to be when I have the call with my 2 coworkers so that we can discuss the training and what I plan on how I plan on training. So I just wanted to prep. I was supposed to prep yesterday, but honestly, after I ate, I talked to my girl like pretty much all of yesterday afternoon, just because I hadn't spoken to her since Friday when she realized that she'd have to change her plans, and all of, her Christmas plans basically fell through the drain. So I was catching up with her and just trying to keep her spirits up, and we were drinking our sorrel and hanging out. So I didn't do much at all last night. Hence why I am recording today. But yeah, I think I'm gonna tint my brows a little bit later, add some more individuals so that my right eye looks a bit fuller. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but I can see. And then I'm gonna do my nails. So finally got all of them off, so I'm gonna do my nails a little bit later as well. At 1, I do have to take the car for maintenance. And what else do I have planned for today? I don't know if I have anything else. Yeah, at 1, that's like my last actual appointment for the day. So it'll be back to work and back to figuring out how I'm training. My dog is acting a fool, y'all. Lola! Acting a damn fool, and I haven't even left the garage. A mess, hot mess. Anyways, hi y'all. I have a double whammy going on right now. I have my aligners in and I have a mint in, so I'm talking funny. But oof, that needs to be turned off till the car warms up. Yeah, which way do I want to go? I'll go this way. As you guys can see, I'm in the car. But yeah, not much going on, and I'm actually very, very early. I don't know why I'm leaving so early. Kind of just want to get it over with. Plus, I want to be settled when I get there. So anyways, I will check in with you guys a little later.
Do me a big send help, but then again, I did this to myself. Innocent, no matter what me all the time, when me do listen. I'm emotional, and I can't let go. I gotta let you know that the love, but now this is the end. Tell me if we can be friends. I'm trying. How can I let you know the love that we once shared was? I'm emotional. Look at me. I can't stop crying. Oh. Every mistress know them policy. After o'clock she can't call me. So before you feel the pain, don't treat all of the girls the same. Gonna walk up with it in a crowd. Hey, every mistress know them policy. After 9 o'clock she can't call me. Hey, after me no eat again.
Hey guys, so it is the following day, obviously, and I had a bad afternoon. Like, the day was actually cool. Like you saw, I had car karaoke, even though I was stuck at the dealership for like, what, 3 hours, almost 4 hours. I was done from there. I went to the grocery store, started getting the stuff that I need for Christmas dinner and for New Year's dinner. You know, came home, cooked, and I just was in a funk. You know, like when somebody, I don't know how to put it, but energy is transferable. Energy is transferable. You have, because I'm talking to myself too, I have to learn to guard my energy, because even though I didn't like go in a downward spiral, what happened was my energy shifted and I shut down. So instead of me going into a downward spiral, I literally just shut down, didn't want to do nothing, wanted to just be of help to somebody who needed me, which was my friend. So I was on the phone with her and we were going through how we could help, you know, rectify her situation that she has going on with the trip that she was planning. But yeah, like, I came across some just bad energy, and I allowed it to alter my mood, and so I didn't finish vlogging, and now here we are. So anyways, just wanted to close out the vlog, another short vlog. I doubt this one is going to be anywhere close to 20 minutes, so I apologize. I also want to point out that I accidentally scheduled one of my videos to go live the following day. So I think the video before this was actually supposed to go up Sunday night, but it wasn't scheduled until Monday night. And what happened was when I realized it wasn't live, I ended up making it live Monday morning. Of course, you guys would have gotten 2 vlogs yesterday, but I didn't feel like vlogging. I shut down, and now you're getting what would have been yesterday's vlog, part 2. You're getting today. So yeah, just wanted to explain myself a little bit. Got myself together. I'm back at work. I'm going to go ahead and close this vlog out, and we will pick up right where I am, because I'm gonna end the vlog here, but tomorrow's vlog is gonna pick up here. So yeah, anyways, thank you for your love and support. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I would love it if you became a part of my family here on YouTube, and I'm looking to try to get to 3,500 subscribers. So if you can help your girl out and hit that subscribe button, I would definitely appreciate it. So yeah, thanks for all of your love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Till next video. Bye y'all.